Today we're going to try a little different patch. We're going to use a technique that's called a California patch. Essentially what you're doing is cutting your drywall to the shape of the hole that you're trying to fill, but leave the paper so that as you place it in, it has something to adhere. It works essentially the same as the tape. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to our mud and get a little bit of mud here and some compound, and we are just going to, without dripping all over this person's floor, get some mud on the wall. Easier said than done. There we go. Now, what we're going to do is take our California patch and place it on. Now at this point, right, we're going to take our knife and smooth this out just as you would working with tape. Sorry. Now, at this point, we want to get some more mud on there. And the idea is to smooth this and drag this out as much as possible, because the smoother you can get these, the less sanding you have to do. So it's a good idea to do a kind of a thinner coat on your first one, so then it makes your second coat even better. And again, we're trying to blend this to the wall, so you kind of want to smooth this out as much as possible. And I promise you it'll be easier if you're doing this with two hands. See, I screwed up the paper. Now, we're going to let that dry, and we'll come back and do a second coat.